In this video, I will show you how to utilize self-help. If your website lacks certain content or images, navigate to the self-help section. There, you will find 4 options available to address and resolve your issue. Let's try the first option, clean temporary files, and see if that resolves the issue. Click Preview. If the issue is resolved, great. If not, let's move on to other options. The issue has been resolved. Just like this, you can fix minor issues by following these steps. If the problem persists, you can try the other 2 options. If none of these resolve the issue, click on Create Support Request and fill out the form. We will reach out to you as soon as possible.